mean, sorry, I'm Bob. Sorry, Joe. I'm so sorry. Where are we at, Joe?
We're about to film a Joe Rogan Experience with Bob Lazar, and of course, Jamie has to be here for the podcast.
On the edge of the cliff.
But Bob has some exciting alien news to share with us, so.
Yeah. Jamie, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. We're about to revisit an old site.
Hell yeah, man.
Take an old family photo with Jamie. Hopefully, it's as good as I remember it.
We got that red rock sand, boy. All right, little 0.18 miles. Jamie led us here, said it was a super cool spot.
Whoa, what are those ruins down there?
Look at this, man.
You see ruins? What's that? I'm getting like notifications.
Look at this, man. This is insane. This is literally outer camp spot, right, Jamie?
Yeah. Yeah. Camping literally right here.
Good job, Joe. Joe did all the driving today.
Should we get down more?
Should we climb all the way down there? Found this little rock. It's pretty dope. I just climbed from up there. Now we're down here. Check the view. Woo. Oh. Holy.
I could probably like lay down and like shimmy my way.
That's a far fall, man. I'm like shaking. Sketch.
Like,
Let me get away from that. Jamie's getting ready for his pick.
Wait.
I made it, Jamie.
This is scary.
How you feeling?
Good.
Joe, how you feeling?
Good. This is sick.
We got snow.
Nice jumping and falling.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. This is it. Sick view. Should I tell the viewers where this is?
No. Let's keep it between
I think I already mentioned it. Do I tell the viewers where this is?
No.
All right. We got camp all set up. We're eating some lasagna. We got Joe. We got Jamie.
Nope.
Camp set up. Got a fire going. We got
Like
you.
babies.
We'll get some good sleep and we're off to whatever it's called tomorrow. Sunset from the spot. Let's get it. Alright, we're eating some lasagna tonight. What are you eating?
Shepherd's pie. Or shepherd's potato stew with beef.
Jamie Sands.
Really good.
Joe Black.
Lasagna. That's pretty fine, dude.
Alright, let's dig in. A little pottery. Wait, what do you mean?
A little powdery.
Oh.
Y'all can't see it, but me, Jamie, and Joe, we are
Some
back at the
crazy
canyon
stars
spot,
ever.
and we're seeing the Milky Way and like every single star in the universe.
Alright, kinda skipped a little bit, but we got Joe,
Skipping the packing up area.
Jamie. We packed up. Now we're on the way to Canyonlands. It's about a 2-hour drive. Kind of got a little bit of a later start. It's like 8. Yeah, here in the backcountry. Just arrived at the trailhead. Packing last minute stuff. We're on the way. And we're off.
Just leaving Subi. It's gonna be sad to see you gone.
See you later, Subi.
Hopefully she gets towed.
Jamie's falling behind like usual already. Playing, Jamie. Come on.
Dude, I like have like more little stuff.
Here, like, let's wait for Jamie. We got here at like 10, 30, 11. I got a Zen in, chilling.
All right, our main objective is to find Emma.
Yeah, we're looking for Emma, missing pup. Jamie, keep a good eye out.
Dang, last time she was seen was the 23rd.
First little incline of the trail. Jamie, you're next.
All right, don't destroy these. These are the trail marks.
Don't bust the crust.
Oh, this is like a little testing.
No, don't. All right, I'm reporting you to the police.
I'm here.
Amazing.
Yo. We gotta.
We're going down?
We have to descend now.
Got Jarvis dancing. I mean, sorry, Joe.
Don't want to make good time. A lot of time I see 25 over already. Crazy. So like once we turn the corner, it's about to
We going up the ridge? Yeah. We're climbed up that ridge. And we're up here.
Alright, let's take a break up here. I need to put my stuff in my bag.
Gonna take a little break. Pretty cool. Out of breath. Time to catch it.
This is so remote, actually.
Yeah. This is crazy, man. Over, yeah, literally 100 miles away from any city. Crazy,
You
man.
gotta drive about 50 miles down that one road.
Yeah. And it's like
Probably
50.
about another 50 too.
Yeah. So like literally 100 miles.
Montreal.
100 miles from any civilization. It's our first time ever doing anything like this, so. All right. Back to it. Long over the
How many times do you think we're gonna lose? I feel like I'm gonna lose a couple.
Yeah.
I was like 160 before. Even though like, we were low-key like stuffing our faces with Bucky's brisket.
Don't bust the crust. You ever been this remote?
Never. First time.
150 miles from any civilization, any people. We're out here.
Yeah. Kinda skidoosh. And where are the steps? There they are.
Ooh, skadoosh.
You lean, sitting on the steps. You don't want to fall.
Just got into Elephant Canyon.
You're going down.
Gotta climb down this. Hopefully it's not too gnarly. Walking along this.
You just gotta make our way down there.
What if we just saw Emma?
Actually here.
It's sad that the cat's gone out here.
That definitely died of like dehydration or something.
Like, who brings their cat out here?
Dude, we just hiked 5 miles.
Look a lot better.
I was feeling so rough. We set up the camp, ate some food. Jamie's like playing a game over there or something. We were gonna do another hike, but we just walked 5 miles and it was kind of gnarly. Got me really tired and feeling weak, so laying down right now. But
Everybody else feel this? Yo! You good, Jamie?
yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, so we got to camp. I'm filming sideways now. I realized I messed up. But yeah, so we just played a little bit of chess.
Shut up.
Completely just some cool rock art over there. Nice and still active. Jamie, what are you doing? He's like editing his teeth on a picture or something.
Yeah.
I destroyed Joe at chess. Other than that, I'm kind of just walking around. Feeling a lot better now. Was feeling really tired up earlier. Probably gonna eat a little bit of food. Yeah, we were feeling gnarly bad.
I'm gonna be homeless, dude.
Time for dinner.
Cooking this.
We got pretty breathtaking. But yeah, gotta grub down. Nighttime or as is. I guess falls. Jamie's doing some last minute preparation. Tents over there, bag set up all over there. It's like 6 o'clock. But probably we'll go to sleep in an hour or two. Probably look at the stars for a bit. First night. Made it.
Me and Bob are sipping coffee.
We're sipping some coffee. We're about to head over to, what is it called? Druid Arch?
Mm-hmm. Druid Arch.
Hopefully we don't get too tired.
I think you can go under it.
We're going to go under it.
I think.
Yes, you can.
Slept well.
I think I've seen the video. Remember it?
Yeah. Sure, get some coffee. Gonna head out in the next 15, 20 minutes. Get it, Jamie. Get it, Jamie. All right, all packed up. Let's go, Jamie. Let's go. Let's go, Jamie. Let's go. Go, Jamie. Go. Go, Jamie. Go. All right, we're headed out. Packed up. Time for Drew's Arch. On the way to Druid Arch. Got my super long walking stick. And we're off. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. All right, just hiked up to Druid Arch. We got Joe, Jamie. Just had to hike up some crazy trail. We're here, we're just gonna chill here for a little bit, then head to the camp spot. There's 6 miles or something to go, 8 miles, something like that.
Yeah, we have about 8 miles to our campsite.
8 miles.
We actually do. No, actually 6 miles. 6 miles. Because we have 2.5 to get out, and then
4.
and then like 4.
Yeah, we better start going. All right. Just climbed a few ladders. Didn't get that on film, but now we're walking this super cool ridge. We're about, yo, how far are we, Joe?
Like 1.5 miles.
No, like how far have we hiked? Like 7 miles today? 6.5? Yeah, probably. Yeah, 7, 8 so far. Cooking, but yeah. So we'll catch you whenever we get to the tent. I'm trying not to fall off this cliff, and yeah, whenever we get there, it'll be nice to take off the boots. Chill. Let's go, Jamie. Let's go. This is a pretty sketchy spot, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully there's no more ladders. Just screw that.
Probably the most sketch part that we've done.
Right here? Whew. That's pretty scary.
Like threw me off guard.
Just set up camp. Got Jamie in there. And Joe in there. Super tired, just went to breakfast in bed. Yeah. Probably just gonna lay down. Just got done with like 9 miles, so yeah. Perfect. Just had some food in bed. And yeah. But yeah, super tired. I'm just gonna lay here for a little bit. Probably walk around a little bit, but yeah.
All right. There we go. Jamie had a long day yesterday. We're gonna head into the town.
Long but good day.
A long but good day.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Oh,
my
yeah.
back's so much lighter.
Packing up. We have about a mile hike to the car. And yeah, probably just gonna chill, get some burgers, and then we got like another 20, 30 mile hike ahead. So, see y'all then. Ah. Be there soon. All right. Just hiked all the way from down there. Now we're up on this ridge. We're gonna climb down, hike all the way back.
One last little fix Take it in.
All right, it's been good to us. It's pretty smooth so far. Now we're headed to the real wilderness. This is only just the beginning, but it's fun out here. 2 days. Let's get it. All right, made it back to the car.
Getting ready for 2 more days.
Getting ready for 2 more days. Not sure if I'm ready for it, but we're gonna do it.
But we got this, dude.
Yeah, we got this. Most remote place in America.
Bengals is gonna be, I think. We'll see.
Check this out, the newspaper rock. Look at this, man.
What are those like humanoid people with antlers? Oh wait, that's probably like the chiefs or something.
The gods.
Who's the guy? It's pretty cool though.
Apparently there's a bunch of fallen rocks.
All right, so I forgot to mention that we were here, but it's insane. First sighting of the ruins. You can see up there.
Yeah, pull that up. Walk down.
All right, so we climbed all the way down there, way down there. Now we're up here. We're at some ruins. It's pretty much a whole entire little village. I'll give you a little tour. I already kind of walked around, just do a quick vid. Look at that, that's old corn in there. There's little spots where people stack up a ton of different like tools and stuff that they would use. Like, look at that, that's insane. Look at this, man. This thing's fully in, not allowed to climb up in there, but it's pretty cool. And then here, it's a cool little part. A ton of artifacts right here. Got a ton of pottery. Crazy looking pottery. And then you got this ladder straight down into there. It's a whole entire room. And then there's a chimney right there. And then they got this entire place right here intact. It's a whole entire spot. I'd like to go in there, but it says you're not allowed. But super cool, man. some more artifacts that people have found. A ton of them. Look at that. A ton of flint, tools, pottery. Super cool, man. Yeah.
Dude, this is crazy, bro. We had another second visit and then we're straight shot there.
Second bit of ruins. Hey, we're about to go up there. Second bit of ruins. This place is crazy.
We met one guy today. Yesterday we met about 100 people. We came across one hiker today. Lead from the vine.
We also had a second story. Smooth little 8 to, actually I think around 10-mile hike today in total. Feeling good. All pretty much downhill today, except the one earlier. But yeah, we'll be there soon. Set up camp. All right. Forgot to show the camp last night, but we set up on this little ridge. The trail's down there, but we got some cool little ruins right there. I actually found some pottery around here. I'm not sure where it went, but it was pretty dope. But yeah, I think we're gonna cut it short. It's starting to snow, so hopefully the trail doesn't get too gnarly.
It's starting to get gnarly snow now.
But
Alright, let's go.
yeah, we gotta get going. All right, first ruin of the new day. This is an unmarked one. Had to climb a pretty steep little hill to get up here, but super cool. Careful.
Is Cole coming?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't say I didn't warn you.
And then take the stairs over here.
It's pretty gnarly. Like if you fell, you're
Hey.
stumbling about 25 feet down through the sand.
You could just slide on your stomach.
I almost slipped.
I don't know what you flipped on.
Look at all this corn. Look at that. All this old corn in the cobs. Charcoal. Wow, it's a whole room over here.
This might be the grainer. Or granger.
Look at that, man.
Hello.
Yeah, Lowe's out here, boy.
Did they just crawl in here?
There's pottery and like different pieces of flint everywhere. Old rope.
Rope?
Yeah.
That's insane. I think this is pottery. This might be pottery.
Look at this. And then here's some pottery too. On this rock. Yeah, I don't know how they're getting up and down this super easy. Wow, dude. This room's sick. Look at this. Yeah, don't want to get too distracted, but these little sites are super cool. So much pottery everywhere. There's even more over here. I actually found some at our campsite last night. And it's not even, well, I guess it's kind of near a ruin, but it's
place is beautiful. And then above, you can actually see ruins up there. That's way too sketchy to get up there, but I'm guessing there used to be some type of ladder system that they would climb all the way up there. Yeah, we're pretty high up there, so try not to get hurt. Pretty far out, but this place is amazing. Getting down this hill now. So now this is the hard part. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a straight cliff.
Dude, it's deep, dude. I would have never in my life would have got.
What grade do you think this is? Like 70%?
70?
Yeah.
I don't even know. I would say this is 80.
50% grade. Yeah.
Over there is like a 90.
That's like 90 over there. All right, let's get it.
I think the ruins go all the way down there, too.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Second sighting of ruins. If you can see that cave, it's a bunch of ruins up in there. But we're gonna skip those because we got some cooler ones ahead. We kind of want to get further down the trail before we start getting super distracted. All right, so update. Started dumping snow. We got to get out of here before the snow starts melting pretty much. So we're hustling. But yeah, there's ice right here. Snowstorm, straight up.
All right, so it's been about a month since it all went down. We're about halfway in. We're at the deepest part of the canyon, and blizzard just starts like out of nowhere, just straight flash blizzard out of nowhere. Basically, when you're deep up in the canyons like that, and it rains, snows, ice rains, anything like that, basically the canyons just become a huge river. So we basically got kind of trapped up in there for a few hours. I didn't film much, but it was super sketchy. We're like climbing like ice cliffs, like stupid icy cliffs, snow about that thick. Just that, and that happened in like 10 minutes, or maybe not 10 minutes, but more like 30 minutes. The snow was thick, and yeah, we were about to kind of chill there, throw up the tents to kind of get some shelter, try to get dry. We were like counting our food and stuff. It was actually pretty sketchy situation. Yeah, once we got out of the canyon, it was about I think an 8-mile walk. So it was like after like fighting for our lives, and like I'm like helping my brothers like up like huge rocks and shit. And yeah, basically after that, had like a 8-mile walk, and it was pretty brutal. But yeah, we got back. We thought that the fucking like rangers and shit were like looking for us, but made it back in Florida, so we're lit.